Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to plant black turmeric. Looks like this. Got in a bag, bought it online at Etsy. And we're going to see if this is any good or if it's not. Alright guys, so got me some potting soil down here. So I put some water in my potting soil. Just loosen this up. This is water from the Aquaponics. So I'm going to dig a hole. Not going to make it too deep, guys. If you want to bury it too deep, without rinsing it in the water in my Aquaponics. So I have these little things here where the turmeric is going to come out of. It's already starting to get out, has some color to it. So that's what you want. Place it down in the soil. I don't want to bury it all the way down, but I do want to face these up so that the shoots can come up. Okay. Get some more water along with the soil. That's one I'm going to have there. And I'm going to get some more black turmeric right here. Check it out online. There's some benefits to black turmeric. I heard it's mentally. I haven't tried it yet. But they said it's good for like losing weight and has a lot of medicine properties. And I have it right here in the Aquaponics, some black cinder. Once again, I'm going to rinse this in the water. And then, like I said, right here, see it starting to spot already. See that? These face them up, guys. Earlier, deep down in the water. Make sure it's touching the water, guys, in the Aquaponics. You see this water down here in the bottom? Make sure it's touching the water. And I'm going to cover this up a little bit. Get some black cinder around. I want to keep this moist. Okay, guys. See, I planted some more black cinder, black turmeric there in my black cinder. I just put them a little bit exposed. If you guys want to bury them further, you can, but I need just a little bit where those little nodes or stuff that are coming out so that they'll grow straight up. That's how you plant black turmeric. If you guys know what are some health benefits of black turmeric, let me know. And leave a comment in the video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. You can see on my Aquaponics, there's also some more stuff growing. I got ginger here. See, they're right here in the black cinder. We got regular ginger growing. And got some manila lettuce growing, guys. And some peppers. There's some tilapia. They're huge and they're not big to eat. Alright guys, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. Let me know what else you guys want to see me plant in my aquaponics. Got black cinder and I have floating grass. Thank you.